Uh, my Indian number is 11248. My function is sign up login page. This is my front end code, front end interface. This is a sign up interface. User can firstly appear user interface. User interface included in username and password. uh, user can already user already sign in the system. User can enter username and password. User can't already access system cannot user cannot already access the system. User can sign up page. Firstly username, uh, example as Haseli, and uh, example Gmail, email code, email info as Haseli at gmail.com. I'll copy that email. Password is QQQ. User sign in. User sign in the system, and then user entered uh, username, email and password QQQ. Okay, user already sign in the website. You can see my database, login database. Table name is user. You can see enter new sign in information. uh, User ID 40 and info haseli at gmail.com. Name is haseli, password is QQQ. This is my SQL database. This is my uh, backend code including user controller, post mapping, get mapping and put mapping, and delete mapping. All CRUD function included in backend, and login DTO, user DTO, and user login application, sorry, repo and services. Then repo and services included. Repo and services. Okay, this is my backend code, and this is my front end code. Front end code including login .js and signup.js. Okay, this is my front end code, and user already login the system. User can edit their profile. uh, Firstly, email is a fixed value, and username and password can edit. User can edit. User delete user name and password, or uh, edit user name and password. Example, info gmail.com, to sorry, and password is so my password is a delete password. And updated successfully. Okay, this is my full code, and this is my user management front end code. And thank you, madam.
My index number is 14635. In this project, my function is the adding, remove, and CRUD, only CRUD functional reviews. If you can see my front end part, firstly you can submit your name, and after you can submit your comment and submit it. If you can see this, and you if you can edit it button, and after submit, if you can see that, easily delete that. This is only for the my front end part. This is the my database. I made it at MySQL workbench. The this is the workbench, and this is, and also this is my backend code. Every packages, you can see that, controller class, control package, DTO package, entity, exceptions, mapper, several classes, then review class. This is This is review DTO. This is the review entity. This is exceptions mapper. This is the test classes. This is the set test classes, test review controllers. That is enough. That is all of my backend. Now I can stop.
I'm Hassan. My index number 11288. This is my front end view. Uh, Firstly, enter your ID. After enter name. After can enter driver SKUs. After can submit button from submit notification code. Okay, and I can table view fresh load button and successful. Okay, this is our new new data, and we can delete it. My front end code is this is my front end code. First context.css. This is my context.js code, and let's go backend code. This is overall our system backend code.
My name is URTT Gunwardhana. My student number is 14617, and I represented and developed my backend. My components is time management components, and these are the front end view of my function, and they are driver IDs, train numbers, and time, date, routes, stations. And let's see some example data. And route numbers, and we can add and get some information, and that data goes in our backend. This is the example data, and let's go my backend code. Firstly, I developed entities, and this is driver component entity, and this driver details represent with fields in driver IDs and drivers names, and time and train inherited the driver class. And next, go to the service part. This is driver service. In this service layer, in this service layer, and we can save the data using driver DTO IDs, and we can update, get some informations, and these are the update part, and these are the lead driver parts, and these other parts, and these are the same. Next, go to the let's check repository, and repository layer, and repository like driver represent extend the JVA repository and providing build database operation, save and find and delete by using their IDs. And finally finally this is my control classes, and this layer handles using by HTTP request, and there are three main controllers, and it has time control, train control, and driver control. And driver controls it's related by handle related drivers data, and time control manage train data. And time control is message operating to related time to train time to schedules, and fetch, save, update, and delete schedule by using the IDs. This is my part is over.